Hey everyone, Johnny here, and today I'd like to show you how to pair your iPhone to your BMW using Apple CarPlay. Apple CarPlay requires Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to connect, so you will need to make sure that both of them are turned on and neither of them are connected to anything else prior to pairing. You may also want to make sure that Siri is enabled for full use of the system. To begin, go to the settings of your iPhone and proceed to the General tab. Here you will find an option for CarPlay. Selecting it will bring up the CarPlay settings. Next, from the main menu of your BMW, select COM, which is short for Communications. Then select Mobile Devices. Next, plus New Device. For Apple CarPlay, you will select Phone Calls and Audio. You will now be given your vehicle's ID, which is comprised of the three letters BMW and then the last 5 digits of the VIN of your vehicle. Returning to your iPhone's CarPlay settings, you should see the same BMW ID appear here. Selecting it will begin communication between the two devices. It is important to pay attention to all the following prompts on both your iPhone screen and your iDrive screen at this time. You'll first select Pair on the iPhone, then select Yes on the BMW. Next, Allow on the iPhone. And lastly, on the BMW screen, it may ask you to confirm Apple CarPlay. Once pairing is complete, the Apple CarPlay screen will populate automatically on your iDrive. I hope this helps you with your Apple CarPlay. I'm Johnny from A&L, and thanks for watching.